guys, welcome back. Bill, the Kansas Flamingo Chef. Welcome back to my bar. And we're going to make a flocktail. Today we're going to make something called a Gold Rush. Now, if you've never heard of this, this is a bourbon cocktail. Luckily, I have some bourbon. One of my favorite whiskeys to make this with, just because it's kind of thematic, is Yellowstone. And yes, I've got a flamingo on the top of it. This is really a simple cocktail. There's only 3 ingredients. So you're going to need a bourbon, you're going to need a lemon, and you're going to need some honey syrup. Now, honey syrup is really simple to make. It's just 1 part honey and 1 part warm water mixed together. This is local honey that a friend of mine provides for me. I've just taken equal parts honey and water. If you want it a little thicker, you can add more honey. But it really, one to one is fine. So all we're going to do here is get a shaker of ice, take a lemon, cut it, squeeze it, and we're going to need about 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, which is just about exactly half of a good sized lemon. To that, I'm going to add 1 ounce of the honey syrup, and last but not least, 2 ounces of bourbon. Now, take your shaker, give it about a 5 to 10 second shake. And then on an ice ball or a large cube, I've got a large cube in here, we're just going to strain that over the fresh ice. You can garnish this with a lemon wedge or a lemon wheel if you like. I think it's just fine by itself, but it is pretty if you've got a cut lemon to set on the side of it. And it's really, really good. This is a simple bourbon cocktail. You can make it home or for your friends. Until next time, remember, eat fabulous. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.